Have you ever stood by the shore, gazed out at the horizon, and wondered what lies beneath the vast expanse of the ocean? The sea, which covers more than 70% of our planet, is a world full of mysteries, beauty, and incredible life forms that continue to inspire awe in scientists and explorers alike. Today, we're going to dive into the deep blue and explore some of the most fascinating things about the sea and ocean life. Let's start with the sheer scale of the ocean. Imagine this. More than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. We've mapped the surface of the moon and even Mars more thoroughly than we have the ocean floor. This sense of mystery adds to the allure of the sea. Who knows what ancient creatures or undiscovered species might be lurking in the depths? Speaking of creatures, let's talk about some of the strangest and most remarkable ocean life we've discovered so far. One of the most iconic and beloved creatures of the sea is the octopus. There are around 300 species of octopuses, and they are considered to be among the most intelligent animals on Earth. These soft-bodied, eight-armed mollusks have shown the ability to solve puzzles, use tools, and even escape from enclosures designed to keep them in. Their unique defense mechanism is equally fascinating. When threatened, octopuses can change color to blend in with their surroundings or release a cloud of ink to distract predators. And if one of their arms is injured, they can grow a new one. It's no wonder that octopuses are often called the escape artists of the sea. Another creature that captures our imagination is the jellyfish. These ancient, otherworldly creatures have been around for over 500 million years, older than dinosaurs. Some species of jellyfish are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce light in the dark depths of the ocean. This ability to glow can help them attract prey or ward off predators. And get this, certain jellyfish species, like the Turritopsis dohrnii, are considered biologically immortal. When injured or stressed, they can revert to their juvenile form and start their life cycle all over again. It's like hitting the reset button on life, over and over. Imagine if we could do that. Then we have one of the ocean's most mysterious and rarely seen inhabitants, the giant squid. For centuries, sailors' tales of sea monsters were inspired by sightings of these elusive creatures. But it wasn't until relatively recently that we managed to capture images of them in their natural habitat. Giant squids can grow up to 43 feet long, and they have the largest eyes of any living creature, about the size of a dinner plate. These massive eyes help them see in the dim light of the deep sea, where they hunt for prey. But not everything about the sea is hidden deep below the surface. Take coral reefs, for example. Coral reefs are often called the rainforests of the sea because they are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. While coral may look like plants or rocks, they are actually made up of tiny animals called polyps. These polyps form colonies and work together to build the intricate structures we know as coral reefs. Reefs provide homes for thousands of marine species and protect coastlines from storms and erosion. However, they are also incredibly fragile. Rising ocean temperatures and pollution are causing coral bleaching, where corals lose their vibrant colors and struggle to survive. It's a reminder of how interconnected ocean life is with our planet's health. Now, let's shift our focus to the colossal whale. Whales are the giants of the sea, and one species in particular, the blue whale, holds the title of the largest animal to have ever lived on Earth. A blue whale can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as 200 tons. Just to give you a sense of scale, its tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant, and its heart is about the size of a small car. Despite their massive size, blue whales feed on some of the tiniest organisms in the ocean, krill. In a single day, a blue whale can consume about 4 tons of krill, which it filters through its baleen plates. The ocean truly is a place of extremes, where the largest animals coexist with some of the smallest. Let's not forget the lesser-known, but equally fascinating creatures, like the sea cucumber. At first glance, sea cucumbers might not seem all that exciting, but these unassuming creatures have some bizarre defense mechanisms. When threatened, they can eject their internal organs to distract predators. But don't worry, they can regenerate those organs later. Sea cucumbers also play an important role in keeping the ocean floor clean. They feed on detritus, which is organic matter that falls to the seafloor, essentially recycling nutrients and maintaining the ecosystem. While many creatures we've talked about today live in the deep or along the ocean floor, there's one animal that seems to embody the spirit of the ocean more than any other, the dolphin. Dolphins are known for their intelligence, playful nature, and social behavior. They live in pods and communicate with each other through a variety of sounds, clicks, and whistles. Dolphins have even been observed working together to hunt fish, and they can use echolocation to navigate and find prey in the murky waters. What's truly remarkable about dolphins is their connection with humans. Throughout history, there have been numerous accounts of dolphins helping people in distress at sea, guiding ships, or even protecting swimmers from sharks. They seem to possess an almost mystical bond with us, which has captivated cultures around the world. As we near the end of our journey through the ocean, let's talk about the deep sea, the final frontier of Earth. The deepest part of the ocean is called the Mariana Trench, and at its lowest point, Challenger Deep, it plunges down about 36,000 feet. That's deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The pressure at such depths is so intense that very few creatures can survive there. But the ones that do are like something out of a science fiction movie. Take the anglerfish, for example, which uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the pitch-black environment. Or the giant tube worms, which live near hydrothermal vents and don't rely on sunlight for energy. Instead, they have a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that convert chemicals from the vents into food. Life in the deep sea is a testament to the resilience of nature and its ability to adapt to even the most extreme environments. The ocean is a source of endless fascination and wonder, filled with creatures and ecosystems that push the boundaries of what we thought possible. But as captivating as the sea is, it is also vulnerable. Human activities like pollution, overfishing, and climate change are putting immense pressure on marine life. Many species are endangered, and ecosystems like coral reefs are at risk of disappearing. Protecting the ocean is not just about conserving wildlife. It's about preserving a vital part of our planet's ecosystem, which ultimately supports life on land as well. So the next time you stand at the shore or sail across the waves, remember that beneath the surface lies a world full of wonders, many of which we have yet to discover. The ocean may be vast and mysterious, but it's also fragile and in need of our care. After all, the health of the ocean is intimately tied to the health of our entire planet.